We bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
Peel off masks. To lessen blackheads and unclog pores, it's best to use a BHA exfoliant. Homemade peel-off masks have also become popular, but some of them are actually harmful for skin, calling for glue and even superglue to be used as a base. Unsurprisingly, this is damaging for skin and causes irritation. What type of face mask is best for my skin type? Paula's choice.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.